How do we know the position of a point with respect to a circle on a Cartesian plane? In this video, I will be showing you how to determine whether a point is in the exterior, interior, or on the circle. A point can be one of the following depending on which equation or inequality the coordinates satisfy. Number 1, the quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to r squared, then the point is on the circle. Number 2, if x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is less than r squared, then the point is in the interior of the circle. Number 3, if the square of x minus h plus the square of y minus k is greater than r squared, then the point is in the exterior of the circle. Example 1. Determine the position of the point 2, 4 with respect to the circle having a center 1, 3 and radius of 5 units. Step 1. Write the equation of the circle. Substitute the hk, which is 1, 3 respectively, and square of 5. Step 2. The point 2, 4 is the value of x and y coordinates. Substitute this to the equation of the circle in step 1. X is 2, then that is 2 minus 1 quantity squared, plus y is 4, then that is 4 minus 3 quantity squared equals 1 plus 1 is 2. Step 3. Compare the result in step 2 with r squared. The result in step 2 is 2, and that is obviously less than 5 squared. 5 squared is the r squared. Thus, point 2, 4 is in the interior of the circle. Example 2. Determine the position of the point -4, -3 with respect to the circle having a center -2, -6 and radius of 2 units. hk is -2, -6. Substitute this to the equation of the circle with r, which is equal to 2. Then the equation of the circle in step 1 is the square of the quantity of x plus 2 plus the square of y plus 6 is equal to 2 squared or 4. Step 2. The point -4, -3. Substitute this into step 1, the equation of the circle. X is -4, and that is the square of -4 plus 2 plus -3 y coordinate plus 6 quantity squared, and this is -4 plus 2 is -2, -2 squared is 4, and then -3 plus 6 is -3 squared is 9. So 4 plus 9 is 13. Step 3. compare the result in step 2 with r squared. The result in step 2 is 13, and that is greater than 2 squared because 2 squared is 4. Thus, point -4, 3 is in the exterior of the circle. Example 3. Determine the position of the point 7, 0 with respect to the circle having a center 9, -8 and radius of 3 square root of 5 units. Step 1. Substitute the hk into the equation of the circle in center radius form. That is the square of x minus 9 plus the square of y plus 8 equals the square of 3 square root of 5. Step 2. Substitute the x and y coordinates of the point into the equation of the circle in step 1. 7 is the x coordinate, that is 7 minus 9 squared plus 0 plus 8 quantity squared. So 7 minus 9 squared is 4 plus 64 is equal to 68. Step 3. Compare the result in step 2 with r squared. Result in step 2 is 68, and this is greater than the square of 3 square root of 5 because 3 squared is 9 and the square root of 5 is 5. 9 times 5 is 45. And obviously, 68 is greater than 45. Thus, point 70 is in the exterior of the circle. Example 4. Determine the position of the point 4, 8 with respect to the circle having a center -5, 8 and radius of 9 units. Step 1. Substitute the hk, the coordinates of the center, into the equation of the circle in center radius form. And that is the square of x plus 5 plus the square of y minus 8 equals 9 squared. Step 2. The point 4, 8. Substitute this into the equation of the circle in step 1. 4 is the x coordinate of the point, which is 4 plus 5 quantity squared plus 8 is the coordinate of y of the point, and that is the square of 8 minus 8 equals 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 squared is 81. And the square of 8 minus 8 is 0. 81 plus 0 is equal to 81. Step 3. Compare the result in step 2 with r squared. The result in step 2 is 81. And this is equal to r squared. R squared is 9 squared. 9 squared is equal to 81. So 81 is equal to 81. Thus, 0.48 is on the circle. Example number 5. Does the point -2.5, 1.5 lie inside, outside, or on the circle with the equation square of x minus 2 plus the square of y plus 2 equals 49? Let's go through the steps again with the coordinates of the point, but skipping step 1 since the equation of the circle is already given. So step 2 will be our step 1 in this example. Substitute the point coordinates negative 2.5, 1.5 to the equation of the circle. Negative 2.5 is the x coordinate minus 2 quantity squared plus 1.5 is the y coordinate plus 2 quantity squared, and this is 20.25 plus 12.25, which is equal to 32.5. Step 2. Compare the result in step 1 with the r squared. The result in step 1 is 32.5, which is less than 49. Thus, point negative 2.5, 1.5 is in the interior of the circle. That's it. I hope you have learned something from this. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more. Bye.